In today's video, I'll show you how to create a second Clash Royale account without losing your main account. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to log out your current account. Open Clash Royale and tap hamburger icon 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on Supercell ID and then click the gear icon and select Log Out. From there, set up your second account. On the login screen, tap Play without Supercell ID. Complete the practice games and tutorial. This is necessary for new accounts. Set a name for your new account after finishing the tutorial. Step 3 is to connect your new account to a Supercell ID. Tap the 3 icon again, select Supercell ID, register to a Supercell ID, and click Continue and enter a new email address, which is different from your main account. 4 is to enter the verification code sent by your email and choose a name and avatar for your new account. Step 4 is to switching between accounts. To switch between accounts easily, go to Supercell ID in the settings, tap Log Out, and select the account you want to use. Make sure both accounts are connected to different email addresses. And I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.